Today we're gonna be doing a challenge where we each chug this all without stopping, and if we burp, we lose.
What is it that you're drinking?
Sprite.
Sprite. Okay.
Okay, time to drink.
Ready?
3,
2, 1. I can't believe it, you guys. Abby's almost done. She's gonna be like a. Do you have to burp or anything? Ryan's gonna hold it all in. Watch, she's gonna probably have the loudest burp afterwards. Is it hard? Does your stomach hurt, Abby, from drinking it? It didn't affect you at all, Abby?
I can't.
Ryan fell out first. Abby might be the winner of this challenge.
What is your stomach made out of? What, did you not feel the gas? That was I couldn't hold it in.
She's probably gonna have a fart so loud tonight she's gonna raise off the bed.
She's probably gonna have diarrhea. She's gonna raise off the bed.
William's still drinking.
We might need to hold her down. Okay?
She's gonna fly away.
Don't let her drink any.
Come on, Will. Can you do it? Can you keep going? Don't slobber all over the place. I think Abby won. Abby won.
He hasn't burped yet. He hasn't burped yet.
He's drooling everywhere.
Check out our other videos. Meanwhile, Will's chugging.
Slowly.
Chugging his
Slowly.
The happy system's a little bit wrong.
Abby could have had 4 cans of soda by now.
Yeah,
He's drinking it like it's tea.
dude, just drink it all. Don't drool.
Don't drool.
I gotta get.
Don't drool. Oh, get the napkin for his face. Get the napkin. Oh, he burped. Here, get the napkin for your face. Get the.
I'll take it.
Okay.
That was all we wanted to do. It looks like Abby won.
Abby's the champion.
Yep, the champion.
Everybody be at our bedroom at 8 o'clock because he's going to blast off the bed.
She's gonna be like a rocket.
He's going to be like,
That was all we wanted to show you guys today. This was an amazing video. Why don't you all check out our other videos? Maybe leave a comment and like and subscribe. And see you next video. Peace.